Hey, how's it going? Sammy B here in the kitchen to share with you another recipe. You know, over the weekend there was a big sporting event, and usually at these sporting events, if you're at a friend's house or you're having people over your place, there's usually, pizza, hot dogs, hamburgers, chips, those sort of things, right? Now, I'm not saying that you can't enjoy a pizza or a hamburger or a hot dog, but to eat those meals every day out of the week or every other day just isn't practical, right? So today I want to introduce a recipe that feels like a game day meal, but that it's okay to have every day out of the week and not sacrifice your goals or your gains in and out of the gym, right? So for today's meal, we're gonna dive into the overlooked chicken sandwich, right? Now, I'm not talking about the chicken sandwich you get at Buffalo Wild Wings or Chick-fil-A. I'm talking about actually going to the grocery store, buying a loaf of bread, some chicken, and preparing this dish for yourself. So this is going to be a great dish to swap for the juicy burger or pizza that you're used to having at game day or when there's a big event and you have people over, right? And you can also enjoy this meal every day throughout the week, as it will give you the essential protein and carbs, and it'll leave you feeling full and satisfied at the end of the day. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at the chicken sandwich.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight.
Alright, that's the game day chicken sandwich. Hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you want to access the exact ingredients and step-by-step instructions I used to prepare the dish, as well as the macronutrient breakdown, you can access that at the PDF link below. Other than that, have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you soon.